I think three primary things that we have to understand is, first thing, what are premises, what are conclusions, and what are assumptions. I always ask my students, I always ask anyone who is trying to reason with me, not just as students, even managers who come to me for a solution, issues and stuff. I focus on their premises, their conclusions, and their assumptions. Premises are the facts, the data, that supporting arguments, supporting points that are leading to something. They are not themselves an output. They are themselves, these are inputs towards an output. That is premises. That can be a fact, that can be an opinion, that can be anything, right? And then there are things called conclusions. Conclusions are main idea of a passage, basically are the output. What is the author finally trying to say? It is usually found in the end of the paragraph, end of the passage. Prefaced with words like therefore, hence, right? Not this, but also, those kind of connecting words, transition words are they call. And the third thing is basically assumption, that's actually taking it from this to this. So there are inputs, there are outputs, and there are the bridges which are not there, they're imaginary. As in, author is trying to say X, Y, Z leading to A, something like that, right? Those X, Y, Z become your supporting arguments, are your premises, right? And then you have the conclusion. A lot of times author does not say few things, so whatever has been said connects to output. That imaginary bridges are basically the assumptions. Now you look at anything else in critical reasoning,